What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments, back with another video. And in today's video, Trump and his tariff market and this up and down all around market continues. So today, Trump said he's potentially thinking about rolling back some of the tariffs, not starting some of the tariffs, negotiating about some of the tariffs. So stocks decided to pop, man. Palantir ended up doing like 6+%, 6.7%. Rest of the market popped. It was actually flat this morning. Popped towards the evening once the announcement came out. So we made like $681. And I'm going to show you all the positions and the things we did today. You feel me? So first thing with the Palantir position. So as y'all can see, the puts that we had as a hedge are starting to be used as a hedge. They going down. You know what I'm saying? We done got hit up on the puts, but it's all good because we're making money on the calls. That's the reason why, you know, a lot of the puts, we'll put money in them and we'll make money when they go down. But when the market goes up, we don't really care what happens to the puts because we made a lot of money on the puts when they were going down, bought shares, bought even some of the calls we got with the puts when they were going down. So, you know, if the market keep going up, they serve their purpose. So we got a call. That call I had yesterday, a 3-day call, this morning Palantir wasn't up like it is now. So I actually maybe sold it for like an 80% gain, 100% gain, something like that. And I bought this $98 call. Palantir rides, not $98 calls, up 84%. We buy another call a little closer to close. This March 21st call, we up 11% on this one. And the one that we rolled all our calls that was getting hit up to, it's up 37%. So, you know, hopefully if the market keep going up, we can start the process of making back some of the money they just got us for. You know what I'm saying? So that's where we at with Palantir. We up to 91.6 shares of Palantir, you know, from trading it. That's where we at with that. So with Tesla, you know what I'm saying, they trying to do their thing. We up to $948 worth of Tesla, $924 worth of VOO. Like I was telling them, this dip, you know, we was trying to get it to $1,000 worth of Tesla, $1,000 worth of SPY. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is, though. Vistra Energy still in that, still hit up. Walmart, we still in that. Need to add to Walmart when we get a chance. Let's see. Oklo's getting hit up, like I say. If they fix this thing and turn around, you know, I can see Oklo going back up if we get back into a risk-on environment. But as of right now, Oklo's going to be getting hit up. So, you know, we taking a chance with that. Nvidia, you know, still dealing with it, you know, trying to bounce back, though. We up to $552 worth of Nvidia. MicroStrategy and iBit, you know, they're doing a little bit of recovery. MicroStrategy is only down 25% from where we bought it at. iBit's still down, but, you know, like I said, they're recovering. Got Meta and IBM. I need to add the Meta and IBM. I like both of those still. Grab's doing okay. We got Google, you know what I'm saying? I might have to add more to Google because they got Google at like 174, 175. It's kind of a good deal, you know what I'm saying, if you look at like the actual valuation of Google. So I might be, you know, adding more to that. And Amazon, you know what I'm saying, new position. Need to be adding more to that. So what am I thinking as far as today in that market? If I need to hedge, I'm still hedging. I actually bought a put where I was going to day trade to add to my hedge. They knocked that thing out. I was down like 40% quick. So that let me know, okay, maybe it's time to like start playing the bull side again. So, you know, we got our calls. I'm going to still be on the chart heavy in case we sell off. It's bad news. I have to buy some puts, something like that. You know what I'm saying? But as of right now, you know what I'm saying, we might be back on the call side. We're going to see what Donald Trump says, what they do out there, what Mexico does, what China does, what Canada does. We shall see. But anyway, let's look at some stocks and some charts and do our thing. Let's see. So we had Nvidia up 1% today. Supermicro was flat. Tesla was up 2.6% today. Microsoft was up 3% today. Ooh, that's pretty good. We had the SPY and QQQ both up 1% respectively. Palantir did 6.7. SoFi did 2.6. Salesforce did 1.6. Bitcoin was back up today. Like I said, the market just did a lot of rebounding. Let's see. Rocket Lab was up. Meta was up. Mara was up. MicroStrategy did 12% today. So yeah, like I say, the market was up, just responding to those, like, the lack of tariffs this time instead of tariffs. So the market just doesn't know how to price it in. Are we going to do tariffs? Are we not going to do tariffs? That's the question right now. Alibaba did 8.6% today, man. I was thinking about getting that thing the other day, but we didn't do it yet. So, we missed that little money. If it come back down, try and get our entry, you know what I'm saying? SoundHound was up 4% today. Let's see. Dell was even up 3.3% today. Everybody was up today. Everybody was up today. Grab was up 3% today. Let's see. IBM was flat today. Cloudflare was up. Yeah, so like I said, a lot of stocks were up today on this rebound on these Trump fears. So, on the charts, we'll start with Palantir. Let's take it to the daily. Okay, so we did find like an area of support down here. Like, we sort of made like similar to equal lows. That was like previous days low, previous week's low, bounced off that. We're gonna see what happens. As of right now, we got this EMA as resistance. We might be able to break this EMA. What I'm really looking for is if we get up to this bearish fair value gap, this 92 through 100 area. That's where I see like a lot more resistance. Plus we got, EMAs there that could stop us. So I want to see how it react to that area. Can we get past that area? If we can get back past that area, we might be able to start getting some money again. You know what I'm saying? If we fall, still looking at them same areas, the 78s, 77s, equilibrium 75 through 70. So if we fall, that'll probably be the next bounce points, unless it's like crazy macro like Trump this time. So we shall see. Let's look at QQQ. Okay, QQQ had a little more textbook bounce. Like I say, we got knocked into this order block where this 200 EMA was, and we bounced off that. Like I was saying, we were due for a bounce from a technical point for a long time, but it was just, we had Trump. It was macro related, so we were waiting to see what Trump was going to say to, get a bounce, like some credence, not just the chart itself. So once it hit this area and Trump said what he said, that started to bounce. It's the same situation. I need us to get up past some of these EMAs, reclaim some of that ground we lost before, we more solidified on the uptrend. And last but not least, let's look at Tesla, because they the ones been struggling. So Tesla's not out the water yet like the other two charts at all. We made some support down here. It's not like a very good, very strong support. We could still easily fall to like 250, 249. If we keep going up, I need us to get to 300 and break it, because that's where our EMA is on Tesla. But let's say unless Tesla gets dragged up with the macro from a chart point of view, it actually doesn't look good on Tesla still. I would need them to break this 300 area, and really I really need them to break like this 324 area. They got a lot. Yeah, they're gonna have a lot of problems. You can see it in the chart. It's almost just like what's going on with Elon in the White House. Everybody mad at him, going through it. Factories getting hit up, all that. But yeah, Tesla, the chart doesn't look good in the short term, but I'm in Tesla for the long term, so I'm not necessarily concerned about that. But it's your boy Steve from Printer Gang Investments. Just another day in this Trump market. Whether we selling off, whether we going up, whether we rallying, whether we crashing, I'm gonna be here every step of the way, and I'm gonna show y'all every position, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Y'all hold it down.